You're watching this video because you're thinking about starting your own business, right? That fire in your belly, that itch you just gotta scratch. I feel you. But before you jump in head first, let me drop some knowledge bombs on you. Trust me, I've been there, done that, and I'm here to tell you, there are some things you gotta know before you even think about that LLC paperwork. This isn't some fluffy motivational speech. In this video, I'm breaking down the 10 things you absolutely must know before starting your business. Let's go. Look, I get it. You're excited, you're pumped, you want to dive right in, but hold your horses for a minute. Before you even think about launching, you need a solid plan. I'm talking about a detailed business plan, the kind that outlines your goals, your target audience, your competition, your marketing strategy, everything. Without a plan, you're just driving blindfolded. You might get lucky and stumble upon some wins, but more likely, you'll end up lost and confused. Trust me, it's the foundation on which you'll build your empire. You might have $1 million idea, but is it the right idea for the right market? That's what separates the dreamers from the doers. Do your research, understand your target audience, and make sure there's a real demand for what you're selling. Find that perfect match, and you're already miles ahead of the game. Money management is make or break for any business. Create a budget, track your expenses, and understand your cash flow. Get scrappy, get creative, and find ways to stretch those dollars until you're rolling in the dough. Don't be afraid to bootstrap it in the beginning. Don't let legal stuff scare you, but don't ignore it either. Get your legal ducks in a row. Understand the licenses and permits you need to operate legally. Consult with a lawyer if you have to make sure you're covered. The last thing you want is to get shut down because you didn't do your homework. So, play by the rules, stay compliant, and you'll be good to go. You're not in this alone, and you shouldn't try to be. Building a strong professional network is crucial. Connect with mentors, advisors, and other entrepreneurs who can offer guidance and support. Attend industry events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Remember, your network is your net worth. Let's be real, there's always going to be competition. But instead of fearing it, embrace it. Use it as fuel to push yourself harder, innovate faster, and outwork everyone else. Study your competitors, understand their strengths and weaknesses, and find ways to differentiate yourself. So bring your A game every single day and don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd. You could have the best product or service in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you're dead in the water. Marketing and branding are everything. You need to tell your story in a way that resonates with your target audience. Use social media, content marketing, paid advertising, whatever it takes to reach your ideal customers. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about building relationships and creating a brand that people know, like, and trust. Time is your most valuable asset, so don't waste it. Learn to manage your time effectively, prioritize tasks, and delegate when necessary. And don't be afraid to leverage technology and tools to streamline your operations. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it, failure is a part of the game. You're going to make mistakes, you're going to face setbacks, and you're going to want to quit. But here's the thing. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone to success. So dust yourself off, pick yourself up, and keep moving forward. Listen, I'm all about the hustle, but not at the expense of your health and well-being. Building a business is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to find a sustainable pace, set boundaries, and make time for yourself. Take breaks, spend time with loved ones, and recharge your batteries. Remember, you're in this for the long haul, so take care of yourself, both mentally and physically. So, there you have it, my friends. 10 things you absolutely must know before starting your business. I hope this video has given you the knowledge and inspiration you need to take that leap of faith. Remember, entrepreneurship is a wild ride, full of ups and downs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Now go out there and crush it.